Hello, and thanks for stopping by. My name is Rachel, and you've tuned into my YouTube channel, The Sailing Siren. To give you a brief intro, I'm a PADI dive master, a mermaid performer, a sailor, a freediver, and a few other random things that you might get a glimpse of from time to time. Right now, I'm in the middle of a Zero to Hero program where I go from having no formal freediving experience to becoming an SSI Level 2 instructor over the course of several months. On my channel, I plan to share the successes and challenges I encounter on my journey of becoming a better freediver. As I progress, I'll also be sharing tips and tutorials of things that I learn along the way. I believe in working hard and playing harder, so stay tuned for info on dream diving and sailing destinations, ocean theme art and ocean conservation projects I believe in, and interactions with people I meet along the way. My goal in this journey is to grow, learn, and explore as much as I can, and I want you to come with me. Let's go.